everyone, I welcome you all to Focus of the Day session of Analyst IAS. In this particular session, we will discuss about the topic C-295 Transport Aircraft. We will see this particular news in the following series. First, why it is in news, followed by what is the C-295 transporter, followed by prelims practice question, followed by mains practice question. But before we start our discussion, I want you all to be informed about various programs of Analyst IAS, which include Current 365 program, which will start from 9th of January 2023, and CSAT program, which will start from 14th of November 2022. And along with that, we will soon launch various test series, which include essay writing test series and PSIR test series. So you can inquire about any of the following on the given number, and you can also visit our official address, that is in Old Rajinder Nagar Market. So now let's move on toward our topic of discussion and see why it is in news.
आत्मनिर्भर भारत, आत्मनिर्भर डिफेंस. Technology meets resolve to be design leaders, global suppliers and decision makers. Tata Consortium and Airbus have partnered for India's first ever private state-of-the-art transport aircraft C-295 manufacturing line at Vadodara.
Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for the C-295 transport aircraft manufacturing facility in Vadodara to be set up by Air Defence and Space and Tata Advanced Systems Limited. This is the first time a private sector company would be manufacturing a full aircraft in the country. And this is a huge step forward for India in the global aircraft manufacturing domain. So this brings this particular news into limelight and we will see about it. But before we have a look on this particular image. This gives detail about C-295 aircraft. So you can pause this video and see all the details. Now we will move on to our discussion and see what is the C-295 transporter. The C-295 MW is a transport aircraft of 5 to 10 ton capacity, which will replace the legacy Avro aircraft in the Indian Air Force procured in the 1960s. It was originally produced by a Spanish aircraft manufacturer, and this company is now a part of Airbus, and the aircraft manufacturing take place at Airbus plant in Spain. Now, why C-295 MW? The C-295 has a very good fuel efficiency and it can take off and land from short as well as the unprepared runways. As a tactical transport aircraft, the C-295 can carry troops and logistic supply from the main airfields to forward operating airfields of the country. And it can also operate from short airstrip just 2,200 feet long and can fly low-level operation for tactical missions flying at a low speed of 110 knots. The aircraft can additionally be used for casualty or medical evacuation, performing special mission, disaster response and maritime patrol duties. So these are various uses of C-295 MW aircraft. Now we will see the significance of this particular manufacturing facility. The first significance is employment generation. The Tata Consortium has identified more than 125 in-country MSME suppliers spread over 7 states. This will act as a catalyst in employment generation in the aerospace ecosystem of the country. And it is expected to generate around 600 highly skilled jobs directly and over 3,000 indirect jobs and an additional 3,000 medium skill employment opportunity with more than 42 lakh man-hour of work within the aerospace and the defense sector of India. The next significance is it will boost MSME as the project will give a boost to the aerospace ecosystem in India, wherein several micro, small and medium enterprises spread over the country will be involved in manufacturing of the parts of the aircraft. The third advantage is it will reduce the import dependence. The project will augment domestic aviation manufacturing, resulting in reduced import dependence and expected increase in export. A large number of the detailed parts, subassemblies and major component assemblies of the aerostructure are scheduled to be manufactured in India. The next advantage is infrastructure development. It will involve development of specialized infrastructure in the form of hangars, buildings, aprons and taxiways. Before completion of the deliveries, D-level servicing facility for C-295 MW aircraft are scheduled to be set up in India only, and it is expected that this facility will act as a regional MRO, that is maintenance, repair and overhaul hub for the various variants of the C-295 aircraft across the world. The next advantage or significance is offset obligation. Airbus will discharge its offset obligation through direct purchase of eligible product and services from Indian offset partners, giving further boost to the economy. In simplest term, the offset is an obligation by an international player to boost India's domestic defense industry if India is buying defense equipment from it. So this was about the significance of this particular manufacturing facility. Now we will move on to our prelims practice question, which says which of the following statement correctly defines the white shipping information. Option A is information on the commercial non-military merchant shipping. Option B, information regarding naval military movement. Option C, data on exclusive economic zone mining. Option D, information on global seas mineral exploitation. So you have to pick up the correct statement and write it in comment box. I will answer this particular question in my next video. Now we will discuss yesterday's question, which says the term killer asteroid is related to which of the following. So the correct answer for this particular question is option C, that is asteroid capable of killing thousands when they impact on Earth. Now we will move on to our mains practice question, which says international civil aviation laws provide all country complete and exclusive sovereignty over the airspace above their territory. What do you understand by airspace? What are the implications of these laws on the space above this airspace? Discuss the challenge which this poses and suggest ways to contain the threat. You have to answer this particular question in 250 words. Write your answer and send it to us on our WhatsApp number to get it reviewed. So this is all for today. Stay tuned with Analyst IAS to get further update. Thank you.